Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the hang and restart problem in your device Samsung A13. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you are having an issue related to the hang or the restart of the device, like your device hangs while using or restart automatically, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. So you have to follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the hang and restart problem in your device Samsung A13. Let's watch the video.